Hello everyone. Today, we're going on an exciting journey to explore the temperate grassland biome. Temperate grasslands can be found in regions with temperate climates, which are in between those suitable for forests and deserts. Some examples include the veldts of South Africa, the puszta of Hungary, the pampas of Argentina and Uruguay, the steppes of Russia, and the plains and prairies of Central North America. In this biome, precipitation is often highly seasonal, with dry winters and wet summers. Annual precipitation typically ranges between 300 and 1,000 millimeters, and periodic droughts are quite common. When it comes to temperature, winters in temperate grasslands are generally cold, with average temperatures dropping below -10 degrees Celsius. Summers can be quite hot, with average temperatures often approaching 30 degrees Celsius. The dominant plants in temperate grasslands are grasses and forbs, which can vary in height from a few centimeters to up to 2 meters in tall grass prairies. Many of these plants have adaptations that help them survive periodic droughts and fires. For example, grasses can quickly sprout after a fire. Grazing by large mammals also helps prevent the establishment of woody shrubs and trees. Speaking of animals, temperate grasslands are home to native mammals such as bison and wild horses. These grasslands are also inhabited by a variety of burrowing mammals, like prairie dogs in North America. Now, let's talk about human impact on this biome. Deep, fertile soils make temperate grasslands ideal for agriculture, especially for growing grains. As a result, much of the grassland in North America and Eurasia has been converted to farmland. In some drier grasslands, cattle and other grazers have even turned parts of the biome into desert. So, let's be responsible and work together to protect the temperate grassland ecosystem. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more videos on biology and ecology. See you in the next video.